Hey yo, how ya? We don't have me. I was going down the street one day, and I thought I saw somebody down the street down there. I saw something down there. I was thinking there may be something there. I had to look at that tree, the tree up there. I was looking at that beautiful tree. I thought, man, what that beautiful tree. There was like a bird up there, a beautiful bird up there. I was thinking, oh my God, what a beautiful bird. Oh, it doesn't see me, and I was thinking, man, I want to get that bird. I'm going to say hi to a bird. I want to say hello, Mr. Bird. Hello, Mr. Bird. What's going on, Mr. Bird? I love you, man. I love you, Mr. Bird. You're a beautiful looking bird. Look at it. Got little. I mean, I don't know what kind of bird you are, but you are just a beautiful bird, and you just looking at me, and I'm looking at you. Oh, such a beautiful moment in time and space. Some kind of trans-species, intergalactical connection of time and space. Me and the bird and I. And I said to him, hello, Mr. Bird. I'm going to keep on walking down the road here, down the street. It was nice to talk to you, Mr. Bird. And the bird came back. The bird said, chirp, 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 chirp. The bird said, chirp, 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 chirp. Chirp, 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 chirp. And I forgot all about that bird because I kept on walking. And I noticed some garbage on the ground. Some kind of like Funyuns, some kind of chip bag, a chip bag. I don't know if they were Doritos or Funyuns. I think it was yellow with some green in it. I can't tell what it was, but it was something, and it looked like kind of a fast food kind of bag, and it was just kind of sitting there. And it was beautiful. It was a beautiful looking bag of color. It was color, kind of like that bird. The bird had some color, had some reds and blues in it. And this bag had the greens and yellows in it, and it was just kind of beautiful. The colors. I'm loving the colors, baby. I'm feeling the colors coming at you, baby. Colors coming at me, coming every which way. Colors. Robert Duvall, Sean Penn, colors. And then there was an LAPD cop coming, and there was a helicopter flying overhead. Colors. And I got running. I ran into a backyard. I hopped a fence. They're coming to get me. And then the bird said, what are you doing, man? What the hell's wrong with you, man? Chill out, dude. It ain't all about you, my man. Keep on walking, buddy. Keep on walking. Keep on walking, my friend.